Thank you all for your support in the practice challenge this year. We are on day number 12 and it's our last day. It's been really fun. If you have more suggestions of practice challenges that you'd like to do, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked it, please hit a like. I would appreciate that so much. For our last practice challenge, this one is going to be very special because it involves others, because Christmas is about giving to others and being with others, and it's just those happy, warm feelings, to me anyway. So I want you to do that same thing. I want you to play for others. Now in our very first challenge, I said you needed to FaceTime or Skype or use your technology somehow to play for others. And so this one is similar, but I want you to put on a mini concert today. So that means either you can use Zoom to have multiple people join your concert all at once and watch you play, if you have people from all over. Number 2, you could invite the neighbors over. Invite your family to come sit. Set up chairs nice. So set up a little mini concert wherever you are and just do a little impromptu concert. You've been playing a lot of music in the last 12 days. Pick something that you really like, that you think is really good, even if it's not really good, that you really like and you want to share. Pick something and share it and love it. I want you to keep playing music, enjoy it, love it, and keep doing it. And share that love with others, okay? Have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and start your new year out really strong with a great practice habit. Okay, so continue these practice habits throughout the new year, and I hope you saw great progress and had a lot of fun. Bye!